Lesson 1.3 Linear and Compound Inequalities. So these questions, we better know what inequality means. So one example, I'm gonna just give you one simple problem, such as x is less than 5. And what does that mean? Or what kind of x can be the answer for these problems? Unlike equation, in this case, x can be any value as long as it is less than 5, right? Such as 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, so on. Because x can be more than one answer, so now we cannot write list of the answer. Often we using graph and then interval notation. Okay, so this case, now we can make any value which is less than 5. That will be our answer for this case. But you maybe notice that I put open circle here, right? It's because, it should be open set because x cannot be 5. So now the x value can be really close to 5, such as 4.999, 4.9999999, but it cannot be exactly 5. So we have to open this one here. However, if the question is x is maybe less than or equal to 5, so compared to this question and this question, only difference is this one doesn't have equal sign, but this one has. So all the problem set, answer area will be the same, but difference is when we set the 5 here, it become close dot and going left side here. Okay? It's because x also can be 5, so it is the terminate value, unlike previous one. Okay, then based on this, let's talk about a little bit harder one in the main topic. One question is 5x is bigger than or equal to negative 65. So our goal is to isolate only x, not 5x. Therefore, this case, you need to eliminate 5 here, so divide by 5, then x is bigger than or equal to 13. Okay? So this one, you can write on the number line. So based on 13 here, it should be close dot and going to right side. Okay, then how can we write this answer using interval notation? So interval notation, we openly using the parenthesis or bracket. Okay, so if we have maybe a and b here, then this means always x is between a and b, and this one case x is between a and b but inclusive. So whenever you're using interval notation, you have to write minimum value and then maximum value. If the value is not finite, is keep on going infinitely, then you may using infinite number symbol here. Okay, and then The reason we are using the parentheses for just inequality and bracket is also for equation and the inequality, because the bracket actually include equal sign here. That's the reason. Okay. Then now, this particular case, this one starts from 13 and going to right direction forever, right? So what can be the minimum x value for this case? Yes, must be 13, but they're also inclusive here. So using bracket 13 and then going infinity, so become infinite number here. But this case, infinite means never stop. Never stop means must be opened. So infinite number, you must use parentheses. Okay? So next one, negative 9a is less than or equal to 27. So this case, similar to previous one, but only different thing is we are dividing by negative 9. When you divide by a negative number, this sign must be reversed. So this become a is bigger than or equal to 3. Negative 3 actually. Okay? So the answer becomes inclusive from negative 3 going the right directions. If you can make interval notation, then this also become bracket negative 3 comma infinity the parentheses. Okay? Then what about this case? Negative 2x minus 7 is less than or equal to 3. Actually, I want to make just less than 3 this case because we are covering less than or equal to twice already. Okay, then this means we combine 7, then negative 2x is less than 10, and you divide by negative 2, then x is bigger than negative 5. Okay, so now graph case, from negative 5 is going toward right direction like this. If you write this interval notation, then parentheses negative 5 comma infinity. That's it. Okay.